Top 5 Best Digital Multimeters in 2025.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box.
Number 4, UNI-T True AC-DC Multimeter. UT61 series are reliable true RMS digital multimeters with display counts 6000, UT61B/D, and 22000, UT61E. It can measure up to 1000 VAC-DC. Equipped with audible and visible alarm, this series can provide warning especially when measuring high voltage/current and temperature. Features: true RMS, data hold/backlight, max-min relative mode, USB communication, input protection, diode/continuity test, NCV, audible/visual alarm. Number 5, FNIRSI 2C23T Digital Multimeter. FNIRSI 2C23T is a fully functional, highly practical, 3-in-1 dual-channel digital oscilloscope designed for the maintenance industry and development industry launched by FNIRSI. This device is equipped with 3 main functions of oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. The oscilloscope adopts FPGA MCU ADC hardware architecture, with a sampling rate of 50 ms/s, 10 MHz analog bandwidth, built-in high-voltage protection module, maximum. Support measurement of peak voltage of plus or minus 400 V, support for saving and viewing waveform screenshots for analysis. The multimeter has a 4-digit 10,000-point true effective value and supports AC-DC voltage and current measurement, as well as capacitance, resistance, diode, on-off and other measurement functions. Whether used by professionals, factories, schools, enthusiasts, or families, it is an ideal multifunctional instrument. Equipped with a built-in DDS function signal generator, it can output 7 types of function signals, with a maximum output of 2 MHz for all signals and a step of 1 Hz. The output frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle are adjustable, using a 2.8-inch 320x240 resolution high-definition LCD display screen with a built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. The standby time can reach up to 6H, provide users with more and stronger practical functions in a compact size, while also having good portability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.